Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious pho kao. First, let's start with the broth, the heart of the dish. Use about 10 pounds of beef bones, such as knuckle and marrow bones, for a robust base. Parboil them for 5 minutes to remove impurities, then rinse thoroughly. Char 2 large onions and a 5-inch piece of ginger for a smoky depth. Simmer these ingredients for at least 6 to 8 hours to develop a rich, clear broth. Next, we'll infuse the broth with aromatic spices. Toast 6 whole star anise, 2 cinnamon sticks, 12 whole cloves, and 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds in a dry pan until fragrant. Place these in a spice bag and add them to the simmering broth. Season with about 2 tablespoons of salt, 4 tablespoons of rock sugar, and 2/3 cup of fish sauce. Taste and adjust the seasoning as needed to achieve that perfect savory balance. Now, let's prepare the noodles and meats for your pho kao. Select fresh or dried flat rice noodles and cook them according to their package instructions, typically for 3 to 5 minutes. For the meat, thinly slice about 1 pound of raw beef, like eye of round or flank steak, against the grain. For easier slicing, freeze the meat for about 10 minutes beforehand. You can also add cooked brisket or beef meatballs for extra variety. Finally, it's time to assemble and enjoy your homemade pho kao. Place a generous portion of cooked rice noodles into a large serving bowl. Arrange your thinly sliced raw beef and any cooked meats on top of the noodles. Ladle the piping hot broth over everything. The heat will perfectly cook the raw beef to a medium rare. Garnish with fresh cilantro, Thai basil, mint, bean sprouts, lime wedges, and sliced chili peppers for a truly authentic and flavorful experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.